This is another update for the Bird three-wheeler. As you can see, repainted the rims and got brand new tires, the fronts and the rears. It's pretty awesome. I also got the new 41. It was a 41 chain, so that's really good. I rigged up the throttle cable so it actually works mint. And we picked up another belt, so we got two belts right now. This one I don't really know what we can do, but it's brand new, and this one's original. Other than that, what else is going to be doing? I got to install this thing. I still got to get the wood. Probably got to use that wood there. Rip the door. I was thinking of making like a tilt seat so it just pops off because it's covering up the gas cap. And let's see. I want to show you guys something. So it has two kill switches though. I don't know which one's on. And that. Well, this is new Honda ATC. This is another update. And have a great day. Like, comment, subscribe.